Hey guys, Wednesday, September 7th, leaving you guys with a substitute here. So you guys have lots of problems from chapter 3. These are projectiles and other problems in 2 dimensions. Yeah, I see a lot of projectiles here, problems in 2 dimensions. You guys do have on your desk solutions. Remember, the correct way to use the solutions is try to solve all these first. If you help each other out, that'll help you learn the problems better too. And then, of course, you can use these solutions to check your work, make sure that you're on the right track, do things right. Uh, I also gave you guys this page as an additional resource, has some algebra-based questions on one side and conceptual questions on the other. We did talk about projectiles back on Friday. I showed you guys the concept of how these things work, which is that if you say fire a projectile, we're looking at 2 dimension. Remember that in the, say like this one right here, I remember that in the horizontal direction, a projectile will maintain its velocity because there's no horizontal force, but vertically it accelerates because, due to gravity. So it's always 10 meters per second squared down, or 9.8 meters per second squared more precisely. And if you fire a projectile off on an angle, a good first step to do is to actually break that vector into components. Say if you're kicking this ball up and to the right, well, how much up and how much to the right? Ooh, that might be your kick velocity times cosine of that angle, or that kick velocity times sine of that angle, right? And if you want to see a pretty good example of, say, any of these, then I did go over this in my other classes. So I did post that video to Google Classroom as an additional resource if you want to go over some of it. Right, so the examples on the left involve situations that look more like this picture here, like firing a projectile horizontally, and like that. The scenarios on the right here, 1, 2, 3 scenarios here, are more looking like this. So if you're on a like a plane and you say fire a cannonball up into the right, that sort of deal. All right, so you guys have lots of resources. You guys have friends. Enjoy, and I will see you guys on Thursday.